Please refer to Setup Guide to make sure that you have all the parts. Unlock the canister from the motor base by switching to Off. Unclip and remove cover. Remove carbon media container. Remove the cover and fill with black diamond carbon. Replace cover and rinse thoroughly. Slide right-size bonded filter sleeve over container. Install container over impeller housing and rubber gasket. Install large rubber gasket atop container. Check top of exhaust tube for small gasket. Replace canister cover, align outlet port and impeller exhaust tube. Press cover down and close clips. Using silicone lube or hot water, moisten the ends of the 5-inch hoses and attach to the cover intake and outlet port barbs on the filter. Extend hoses to highest barbs on intake and outlet tubes, allowing for 2 inches of slack. Cut hoses to fit and moistened ends and attach to intake and outlet tube barbs. Using snapper clamps, clamp each hose around barb fittings. Unclip and remove canister cover and fill canister half full with aquarium water. Wet O-ring and place around cover skirt. Place cover back on and close clips. Plug in and switch motor on.